My name's Alice Veltman. I'm a carbon management consultant for Nottingham Business School at Nottingham Trent University. I'm visiting Penny Engineering today to see how they have embraced sustainability across the organisation and how they've accelerated their progress following the support they've received through Bolsover Net Zero Innovation Programme. Our first step was to conduct a premises audit, which helped the business understand ways in which they could become more energy efficient. Using the recommendations from this report, they were able to apply for a Bolsover Net Zero growth grant to install more solar arrays and battery storage.
This is the side tracker building where Penny Engineering manufactures forklift trucks, and the whole premises was in need of renovation because there'd been no work done on the building since about 1976, and we managed to carry on working while it was all happening. We've put a new insulated roof, removed the asbestos. We've got skylights for natural light, 100% LED lighting. We have got computerised heating controls on the new heater, power factor correction and voltage optimisation. We've got a low energy compressor for the spray booth, and we have cured drafts. We've put a door on so that we don't lose heat to outside.
So you mentioned there's been benefits to employees and your products?
Improving the working environment means we can attract better staff, and the paint spraying is much higher quality and it welds to a higher standard as well.
And presumably you've saved money on your energy bills?
The bills have been dramatically reduced.
So here we've got the app, and this details exactly what we've gained from using the solar. In real terms, that means we've used £24,000 worth of energy, but we've saved that.
You've saved that, yeah.
And we've then exported back to the grid, and we've got £6,000 worth of revenue from exporting.
We were also able to train other members of the Penny Engineering team in carbon management, and the business kindly hosted a networking event inviting their supply chain partners and the local business community to engage on sustainability and to see some of the work that they have been doing.
Overall, the sustainability measures that we have taken save us in the region of £840,000 a year.
It's this unique combination of support that's made Bolsover Net Zero Innovation so special and has meant that many businesses have been able to start their journey in sustainability, or like Penny, to accelerate their progress.
We're really pleased that we are seen as a leader in sustainability, because nobody wants to be leaving the environment in a worse state than when it was when they started their business.
It's recognition like this that's really made Bolsover Innovation Programme a huge success. And it's been fantastic to see the wider benefits on the region of programmes like this.